Hi, imagine waking up one morning and your smart home won't unlock the door, your car refuses to start, and your personal health data is compromised. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, that's the risk we face when IoT devices are not secured in the cloud. But don't worry, we are here to break it all down and show you how to keep your connected world safe. What does the cloud have to do with IoT? A lot. Cloud computing powers IoT devices by providing storage, computing power, and real-time data processing. That helps businesses scale, lets users access their devices from anywhere, and keeps everything running smooth. But as more devices connect, security risks grow. Talk about the threats waiting in the shadows. Data breaches. The personal and business data could fall into the wrong hands. Network attacks. Hackers can disrupt IoT networks, causing confusion. Device vulnerabilities. Many IoT gadgets are not built with strong security, making them easy targets. So, how do we fight back? Here are the must-have security measures. Encryption. Protect your data, whether it is being stored or sent. Access control. Make sure only the right people and devices can access sensitive data. Authentication. Use strong passwords, biometric or multi-factor authentication to verify identities. Gone are the days of trust but verify. Now let's never trust, always verify. That's the core of zero trust security, which follows 3 golden rules. 1. Verify identity. Always check who's trying to connect. 2. Least privilege. Only give access to those who really need it. And 3. Assume breach. Monitor constantly and act fast if something seems off. Technology is evolving to stay ahead of threats. Here's what making IoT security stronger. AI and machine learning. It detects suspicious activity before it causes damage. Blockchain creates secure, tamper-proof records of transactions. Edge computing reduces the risk for processing data closer to the device instead of sending it all the cloud. What next in IoT security? We are looking at quantum security, next-gen encryption that even quantum computers can't crack. 5G network, faster but also requiring smarter security. New IoT security standards, global rules to keep all devices. IoT is changing the way we live and work, but security needs to keep up. By using encryption, authentication, and zero trust principle, we can make the cloud a safer place for our smart world. Stay alert, stay secure, and let's build a safer digital future together.